So today's video is going to be on how to clean your beauty blender. The most efficient and the easiest and the least time consuming way to clean your beauty blender. Now this is something that definitely needs to be done probably at night or like at a time where you're not using it. So after you're done using it, you'd want to use this method. You don't have to do it like this all the time. And actually I found this out by a fluke. So what you do is you take the beauty blender and you put it in the washing machine. How easy is that? And if you think about it, detergents are not harsh, because if they were, they'd be irritating your body and they irritate your face when you put your clothes on and everything like that. And since they don't, it is an easy way to do it. And so here are my tips. You either want to have it on warm or you want to have it on hot, and you want to put it in with towels. I wouldn't put it in with like underwear and bras and stuff like that, because that's just kind of gross to think about. But if you have hand towels and stuff like that, put it in the wash with like your hand towels. And then you literally just put a little pot in or whatever detergent you use, let it run through the whole cycle, you take it out, it's ready to use. It is literally not only like nicely damp, but like not too wet. It's perfect. That's all you need to do. So it's the easiest way to do it. And I found this out by a mistake because I accidentally had a beauty blender in my laundry and I put it in with towels. And when I took it out, I was like, this is the cleanest my beauty blender has ever looked. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.